Lisa. So I don't know, your calculations aren't quite correct for this. So you need to add together 120, 73, 82. Add all those together, so that's 5, 17, so that's 275 degrees. Subtract that from 360. And then do your 180. So you had the right method, but that 202 was incorrect. Maybe you needed to actually do the calculation. Hi, Lisa. So when you plot the points of two different things, they can show three different types of relationships. So this one here is called positive. So for example, usually the bigger someone's feet, the taller they are. So the bigger someone's feet, the taller they are. If you plotted each person's foot size by their height, you would get something called a positive correlation. Correlation is just another word for relationship between two things. Now, you can also get something called a negative correlation. So, for example, if you had the amount of petrol in a car, so the further you travel in distance, the amount of petrol in the car would be less. So as one quantity rises, the other quantity gets smaller. And then finally, there's no or none. No correlation at all. So there's no relationship between two things. So for example, I'm trying to think of something. The size of your feet and your math scores, for example.